Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to do the snap change. From a revealed angle, it looks like this. Okay? So basically what's happening is you're taking two cards and you're pulling the front card behind the other one. So the second card is being hidden just like this. So that is how the change is done, and now I'm going to show you how to actually perform it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to grip the cards. So you need two different cards. So I have an 8 and a 4, and I have a black card and a red card. So they should be contrasting, so when the change happens, it's noticeable. So you're going to take these two cards and you're going to square them up like this. And you're going to take your pointer finger and your middle finger of your right hand, or if you're left-handed, do this with your left hand. And you're going to find the first joint of each finger. So that's there and there. Take the first joint and put it on this corner. So the bottom right corner is right here towards you. It's just on the opposite side where the pip is. So the little 8, you take your first joints of your middle finger and your pointer finger and you put them right on the bottom of the card. Now your middle finger should basically be completely aligned with this edge. You don't want them to be this far up because the card will have trouble sliding. So make sure they're on the bottom edge of the card, just like that. Okay? Then your thumb goes directly behind, so right here. And you don't want your whole thumb on the card because the cards won't be able to glide. So you want basically half your thumb, so right around there. Put half your thumb in the back, first joint of your middle and your pointer, right there, aligned with the bottom. And that is how you grip the card. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to actually make the card change. So you get into the grip, which I just showed you how to do. If you need a refresher, just rewind the video. Okay, so release with your pointer finger. Now the card is being held by your thumb and your middle finger, okay? Then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to pull down on the card, just like that. So from your angle, you're just pulling the card down, just like that, until you get to this point here. So the only part of the card that is being covered is this top left corner. So just release, pull down to about here. And now you're going to take your pointer finger here and grip this top card right here. So grip it with your thumb and then your pointer finger and extend. Okay, I'll do that again. So get into the grip, release with your pointer, drag the card down till about here, take your pointer and grip this card between your thumb and your pointer. And it's important that when you grip the card between these two fingers, you want to extend so this card is completely clear, because if you don't do that, it's really slow and the card doesn't move very quickly. So you need to extend so that the change happens quickly. Another thing to know is that you want some misdirection, so you can do that by flicking the card, which I did in my performance, because if you don't have any misdirection, the spectator is just going to look at your hands very carefully, and it's quite difficult to do the change without them seeing it without any misdirection. So like I said, you can flick the card like this and then do the change. So in full time it should look like this. Okay, or you could, this is the easier alternative. You could just wave your hand, and once your hand is over the cards, you do the change and then move your hand down. Okay, but this is very angle sensitive, so you also need to make sure that the cards are eye level with the spectator. If they're looking down in your hands, they're going to easily be able to see the card. And you also don't want them on your left or on your right because they can just see the card. So that is how you do the snap change, and thank you for watching.